Hey y'all, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all, today we're gonna be cooking. And yeah. So yeah, I've been craving taco salad, but like the American way, baby. And yeah, so I feel like, my kitchen's renovated, as y'all can see. So I feel like, I might as well just cook and answer some questions about y'all, or from y'all. Recent questions y'all been asking me, and also just a couple questions that I also found or just thought about myself. So we're gonna be cooking and talking, y'all. It's gonna be like a Q&A cooking edition. So let me show you all the things that I got first. So I always eat them with Doritos. I like soft tacos, like with the soft shell, but I rather eat them with the Doritos. Then I got the Mexican blend cheese, lettuce, and 2 seasoning packs. I don't think I'm gonna need 2 because it's just me eating. So I'm probably just gonna use 1, but we're gonna see. That's just the stuff that I got from the store, but let me show you the other things I'm gonna be using. So you got some salt and pepper, just a little bit. You got some garlic pepper and some some garlic powder and some onion powder. And you got a little bit of the Italian seasoning. I put this on everything. I don't even know if it got a taste. And a little bit of Lawry's. And that's it, y'all. I'm not like a big old like cook person or nothing, so. Oh, also I got some juice because I was thirsty, and I got a lot of waters, but I need something to quench my thirst. Can't forget the taco sauce, baby. And I don't eat like the chunky one. I only eat the sauce. So, And yeah, y'all. So let's get started. Oh, also I have 2 of these. I don't know if I'm gonna use. I'm probably gonna cook both of them just so I can eat like later tonight too, and like tomorrow maybe take it to work and eat it for lunch. So I got my iPad, y'all. While that's heating up real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and answer like 2 of y'all questions really quick. So the first question y'all asked me is, what would you define success? I feel like that's such a real question. Like, why would y'all ask me that? I feel like success is when you make a goal, you put your mind to something, determination, and courage, and you do it, and when you meet that goal, I feel like that's successful. And yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna see what other questions, but first I'm gonna go ahead and get this hot or whatever. I already washed my hands, y'all, so don't ask me like, oh, did you wash your hands? Sure did. Y'all, my roommate, she's selfish. She bought like, so you see how like the pan, see how the pan like don't got like no things. So these things come with it or whatever, and it's like you cook them on her. So he literally just like. So another question is, do you have a boyfriend? Do I? What y'all think? Y'all let me know if y'all think I had a boyfriend. Cause do I or do I not? Who knows? I think I'm gonna need a bigger pan. Hold on. This smells good, y'all. Ground beef smells default good. So now I gotta wait for this one to get hot. I should have took that off, but I'm just gonna leave it. Have I ever done drugs? No. No. I'm not really into that stuff. Like at all, really. I feel like my childhood was like kind of boring. Like my teenager years were kind of boring simply because I didn't do nothing. I didn't go to parties. I didn't do nothing, y'all. I was really boring. I was just going to school, going to work, literally. Are you in the army? No, I'm not in the army. It's like people always saying that we be in the army just because we in the military. Like, and my family members, they be doing that too. They be like, what I do with that thing? Like my family swear I'm in the military. I mean, they swear I'm in the army. Like, no, y'all, I'm in the Navy. I am a Navy girly. Next one. Celebrity crush. Y'all, I'm obsessed with Whitney Houston right now. Like, when I say obsessed, like I'm obsessed with her. Like, But like sometimes it makes me sad that like that wasn't alive, you know, during her prime. It's sad that she's not alive no more. Like, so y'all starting to get brown. So I'm gonna add these seasonings to it. I'm gonna put this whole. I wonder if that's too much. I'm gonna put half first, just to see, and I can always add more. I just love garlic. And then a little bit of onion powder. So it is Italian, little salt, little pepper. Now, next question: are you gonna do 20 years in the Navy? I don't know yet, y'all. They always say don't base your Navy career on your first command, and I think that's so true because people are dizzy, y'all. So I'm definitely gonna re-enlist though. Like I'm definitely, because I'm an OS operations specialist, and like our rotation is 5 years sea duty, 3 years shore duty. So I'm definitely gonna go shore duty, y'all, because you get to pick your next duty station. Like after this, after your first one, you don't get to pick, but your second one you get to pick. Well, really, what's available? Like if you want to go to Atlanta, but there's nothing in Atlanta, you can't go to Atlanta. But if you want to go to Atlanta and there's things open, you can pick it. Take you like 7 times to pick or something. You most likely gonna get it. I'm definitely going back to the East Coast. I'm not staying in Cali. I don't like Cali. This is my first time cooking it by myself. Like I didn't ask my mama how much seasoning to put or what to do first. This is my first time cooking it by myself. I'm really trying to learn. And yeah, I really do think it's too much grease. Look at all that grease, y'all. I think it's too much. I'm gonna pour some out really quick. So don't judge me in the comments when y'all see this, because I really am learning myself. Let me see, y'all. I feel like I'm asking boring questions. Do you get second chances? Yeah, I do. Like I'm the type of person that like me, I catch like weird shit so fast. Like I really do. And it's like my friends, they don't. So it's like when like you don't even have to do nothing for me to know, but I will give you a chance anyways. Even though I can feel that, you know, you're kind of weird, you know what I'm saying? I still give them a chance. So it's like, then when you show me who you really are, which I really would, I back up. We don't have no beef or nothing. I feel like I don't need to give you no explanation, bitch, because people argue at the end of the day, nobody. It's my life. And it's like, but my friends will continue like messing people, and it's like I tell them like, girl, you need to watch out because whatever, you know what I'm saying? And they be like, oh, okay, and still hang out with them, which I'm fine because that's your life. Like if you want to deal with that, if you don't see it, that's on you. I really don't care. But it's like, cause I want people to experience things for themselves. You know what I'm saying? You can tell somebody something all day long, but until they experience it, then they know. You know what I'm saying? So I always let people experience things on their own, and it's like. Yeah, so, and then say like, then they gonna soon realize that I was right about the person. And it's like, oh, like, it's really nothing. Like, I'm not the type of person to like recruit somebody to not like somebody. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like, what they gotta do with them, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, what they did to me, that could be like me and them thing, but then they do it to people. And that's fine. But, so I feel like I do give people second chances. Well, I feel like I gave you your first chance just by meeting you and, you know, whatever. And then, well, maybe I definitely don't get second chances. But I do get second chances, though, like, to people that I love and my friends. And really just anybody. Except situations like that, because it's just like, you're weird. Side. And people, they don't be liking me for that. And I don't really give a damn. I don't. Because at the end of the day, I know I'm the show. And these bitches not, so I do get second chances though. It's me trying to convince my own self that I give people second chances, knowing good and well I don't. I don't know, but I need to because God gives me ample amount of times, you know what I'm saying? He do, but like with me, it's just like, you're done, bitch. Like, you're done. But I need to not do that. I get so much peace. I be so at peace, y'all. Like, I be so good when I could have been so. Like, it's nothing
I just don't be having time for that. But I do it for my friends and family, though. But it depends. Okay. I guess I don't. I do. But only for like a select few, like less than 3. Like, I feel like the people I only get second chance to is the people that I want to have in my life forever. But anybody can run out of motherfucker. Like, anybody's butt could run out. It could just be done. Anyways, back to the video.
But after that, like, say somebody do something to me, and they didn't know about it. They didn't know that I felt that way about something they did or said. So I'm gonna let them know, like, hey, I don't like when da 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 da. And they be like, cool. But if you do it again, okay, so I guess I don't give people second chances. Because if they do it again, I'm done. I'm gonna taste this, y'all. It's good. I'm gonna put some more taco seasoning. I'm glad I didn't make too salty because that was my first. So I'm gonna put some more taco sauce or taco seasoning and some more garlic powder and some more little bit of onion powder. Ooh, it tastes good, but I could go a step further. And I'm so glad it was not salty because how did you come back today? The last time you cried, y'all, just a couple months ago, like the end of this January, beginning of February was like a really hard time for me. I was going through something, and I really shut myself off from everybody. Cause when I'm going through something, I don't like to get people's face because I don't want to throw people's energy off, and also I don't want to snap because I'm a very snappy person, and I've learned over the years that it's not they don't have nothing to do with that because I preach that. Like, don't come here yelling at me because you got something going on at home. Bitch, I don't care about that because we all got something going on. So because I feel like that, I don't do that to people. So when I'm going through something, I really be to myself. I would stay in my room, go to work, come to my room, not talk to them. I would talk to them, but like I'm not going out, I'm not going. Because people always say like, oh, when you feel bad, you go out and hang around friends. I feel the exact opposite. Like I feel like I don't need to be around them because I feel like I'm not strong enough or necessarily like I'm not grown enough yet to be around people, even though I'm not feeling good. Because I hate when people be around me. They all snappy, they got attitude, they look stank in the face, or they just look sluggish and just moping around. Like, girl, go in the house and do it. I don't like people like that. Y'all, it's still not like, it still don't got that flavor yet. It's good. I think about itself, but they don't got that stable flavor yet. I don't know what I'm missing, y'all. Not busting yet. I hope that did it. I'm gonna turn it down. Last time I cried. Yeah. Oh no. Actually, last time I cried when I passed my driver's test or my permit. Cause I was just so thankful. I just told y'all my biggest commission. So yeah, last time I cried when I got my permit. So that was like last week on Wednesday. So a week ago today, that was last time I cried. And I'm not a crier, y'all, but I've been really emotional because when you realize what God do for you, it makes you emotional. Well, at least me. I feel like I don't give him this praise. Like I give him this praise, but like from the core. You know what I'm saying? You can say hallelujah, and you just saying it, and you think that's gonna do something. But when you actually crying and you saying it and believing it, and just, like you feel it, it's different. That shit made me emotional, bro. And I have a lot to be thankful for. I'm starting to realize that. That did it right up. That Lawrence, that did it. Like, once I realized that, like, you can say something all day, but when you actually need it and you experienced it, it like hit different. And once you realize that can't nobody do what God can do, like, nobody. You can't name one person who can't. I'm finna cut up my lettuce, not all of it. God is just really like that for real. Like, he is who he say he is. And I just love him so much. I really do. But he's been so good, y'all. I might start crying right now. Let me change the subject, but he's a loving God. He's a caring God. And yeah, as long as you talk to him and be with him and walk with him, he will talk to you and walk with you and be with you. He will never leave you. People that feel like they're not close to God anymore, it's not because of him, it's because of you. No shame. That's me too. Like, I had to realize that too. When you feel like you far from him, it's not because he walked away or because he got distance, because you did. And you gotta get back with him. You do. Cause he ain't gone nowhere. He's always gonna be there. Always. He will never be future. That's a fact. Trust me. Let me see what another question is. What is the biggest mistake you made in your life? I don't think I have a big mistake that I made in my life, because I just feel like everything happened for a reason. You might not know that reason, but it's a reason. What's your zodiac sign? You act like a Leo. That's funny you said that. My mama is a Leo. I'm a Libra, y'all. But I did see, I don't know what it's called, but how y'all be doing those little zodiac, like little universal pyramid chart things. I don't know what it's called. But they said like my second zodiac sign is a Leo, and that makes sense because I feel like I act just like my mama. Who's my last question, y'all? Because I'm hungry, really hungry. Was Navy boot camp hard? I wouldn't say it was hard, but it was challenging. But I feel like kind of had an irregular experience simply because, like, why are the seas? Like, I don't know. I feel like it wasn't hard. Was it challenging? Absolutely. Oh, I like my meat a little burnt. I've noticed that about myself. Like, when it's chicken, when it's anything, I like that shit like cooked. Okay, I don't like it when it's like kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Make my plate. Okay, so I had to put the Doritos on there first. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. Gotta put my little lettuce, y'all. I'm like the plainest eater ever. Like, I don't like nothing really on my food. I put some cheese on there. Alright, and you can't forget about the seasoning. I mean the sauce, the taco sauce. Y'all, when I say I'm finna sleep so good. My little juice. My little juicy juice. And my water bottle. Alright, y'all, so this is the food. Alright, y'all, so here's the food. Looks so good. Y'all, I'm gonna bust this down, okay? And I got my little drinks right there, or whatever. Alright, y'all, we're gonna do a quick taste test before I end the vlog. Cheers, mate. Y'all, this is good. This is like the easiest thing. Hey, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more of these, y'all. I'm really just trying to do things different because now, like I told y'all in the last video, my channel is monetized. So I'm just trying to like get a feel of things that y'all like. I know that y'all love the Navy videos. I know y'all like the Sheen hauls. But I'm trying to see like what else do y'all like doing. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be like a little journey. I hope y'all like the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
On my first to bed alone. Ooh, way to